Hello, welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I will show you how to take measurements for ladies pant trousers. To cut a good pant trousers, it starts from the way you take your measurements. So I will show you how I take my measurements for my pant trousers, for slim leg pant trouser, palazzo pant trouser and wide leg pant trouser. If this is what you want to learn, then continue watching till the end to see how I made it. If this video is helpful to you in any way, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done that already.
You have to note that there's a difference between how you cut your freehand pants trousers and how you cut your pant trousers using pattern drafting. If you use freehand pattern drafting to cut your pant trousers, I have a detailed tutorial on how to take measurement for your pant trousers, and I will drop that in the link below. But if you cut pant trousers like mine, because I use pattern drafting, then you have to come with me on this ride. Let me show you how I take my pattern drafting for my pant trousers, and this is what I use to cut my pant trousers. So let's start with the measurement. The same way we draft our pant trousers, first of all, start with the circumference of the bodies. That's the same way I'm going to take these measurements. So I'm going to take round the waist measurement. For you to do that, take the smallest part of the waistline. Here I have 28 inches. And then I'm going to take the hip measurement. For me to do that, I'm going to take round the highest part of the hip line. So guys, as you can see, my client is wearing something baggy. So try as much as you can to make it as close to the body as possible, as you can see. But if the client is not wearing something close, don't make it too tight. So here I have 38.5 inches. Next measurement you have to take if you're making a pattern drafting for your pant trousers is the ankle. For you to do that, you're going to take from the heel, under the heel like this, coming towards the front like that. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Make sure the client is not wearing anything on their foot, so you're going to take from behind under the heel like that to the front, so that your client will be able to wear their pant trousers. The next thing we have to take is the vertical measurement. For you to take that, you're going to place your tape on the waistline where the smallest part of the waistline is, and you're going to take from the waistline to the hip line. Whatever you have, this line will be your hip line. Next, you're going to take the waist to the length of the shorts. Another length you need is your waist to knee measurement. You're going to take from waist to knee, touch your clients wherever the knee started from. You are going to take that measurement. The next measurement you need is from waist to the ankle. Guys, remember that I said I'm taking this for all types of pant trousers, both for slim leg, for palazzo pants, for wide leg pants. So for slim legs, you need waist to the ankle measurement. For me, I have 41 inches here. If you want to take for your wide leg pant trousers, then you have to take from the waistline down to the floor, just to the floor. For me, it is 46 inches. For you to take for your palazzos or wide leg, very wide leg pant trousers, if they want the client to be on heels, you have to tell your client to either raise their leg as if they are standing on their heels. So stand as if you're standing on the heel. So you're going to take the measurements like that. For me, hers is 47 inches. With these measurements, guys, you should be able to take your pant trousers perfectly, your slim leg pants, your palazzo pants, your wide leg pants. Guys, with this, I have come to the end of today's sewing tutorial. Watch this video till this time. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.